TorqStorm Supercharged Hemi going up against a Pro Charged Hemi. Let's go. Alright, here we go. We got my son's 2014 Dodge Challenger RT, full weight with a TorqStorm Supercharger going up against Matt Green's Chrysler 300, Pro Charged Hemi. The car is actually pretty gutted, so this should be a good race. Like the little TorqStorm Supercharger is going to take it over on the big end. Let's go. My son was having some issues right here. He turned his two-step up a little too high and the car would not hold, but no big deal. After this race, we turned it back down and got right back to work. Coming in hot. Frostbite just entered the chat. All right, we got Zorro going up against a super truck, TRX. Here we go. Zorro about to put the smack down on this truck. Since the first whipping wasn't enough, the truck wanted another round. So here's round 2 against the TRX. Zorro's about to put the whooping on it again. Here we go. Since 2 times isn't enough, hopefully the 3rd time's a charm. The TRX wanted another run, so here we go. Zorro gonna smack down that truck again. Let's roll. All right, that was a good burnout for Zorro. We're going up against a scat pack right here. This is going to be a really good run, and it was the closest run of the entire event for my son. They were neck and neck the whole way down the track. Yeah, man, this was a really, really good race right here. True nail biter all the way to the finish line, neck and neck. Unfortunately, my son went a little too fast on this pass and he broke out, and the other guy ran right on his number. That 1320 sure does have some good low-end torque. Zorro did it well on the big end, but went too quick.